All right, so now that we've finished the female portion of the inlay, it's time to cut the male letters that we're going to insert into that sign.
Sure.
So what we're using here, we've got 2 pieces of masonite or hardboard. We've got 2 because the top plate for these male letters, we're actually going to cut through by about 10 thousandths.
So you're cutting all the way through the top?
Correct. Okay. And we're just placing this underneath so we don't damage that nice surface that we created earlier. We're going to get this locked in place here.
Okay.
Clamping just on the corners. And then we're using the same bit that we used to create the perimeter for those female pockets. And that's largely just to make sure that our radiuses on these parts match that, but it'll also give us that nice crisp, clean edge and tight corners that we had before.
Great.
All right, so now that we've got it locked in place, I'm just going to jog the head up here and set our origin at that XY datum that we created in the software. And this LED kit that we installed on the machine, one of our accessories, will light up the board enough to make this just a little easier with our shop lighting to see.
You can see that pencil on the hardboard there.
And we don't have to get super close for this job, so we're just going to get it in place. And now we'll set the Z height, or our tool height, with that puck.
Sure.
Yeah, plug me in there. All right, so now we're ready to run the file.
Let's do it.
All right, so we've just finished with the male inlays. And as you can see, I'm starting to fit some of these letters in there now. The only thing that's left is the last letter. You want to do the honors?
Absolutely. Oh, that fits in there.
Yeah,
nice.
It's a really nice, smooth fitment. And as you can see how tight it is, we use a 4/1000th tolerance for fitment, and that allows just enough allowance that these will slip in nice and easy, and you have enough room for your glue. And this just illustrates that we've taken $2 worth of material, in this case, a scrap piece of barn board, and we've created something that's a sign for a customer that's got a much higher value.
Absolutely.
And actually, you just throw a coat of finish on that.
Oh wow, that looks great. And we could make 100 more of these right now if we wanted to. Absolutely,
it's highly repeatable. And as you saw with the process, the design takes less than 5 minutes. And the actual machining, we're just doing 3 steps. We're going to pocket the material, we texture the bottom of that pocket, and we're just doing the male and female inlay.
Great, this was so much fun.
Awesome, thank you.